So what's new to Hobbybase HQ this week? Rachel, what have we got on this side? We're going to be looking today at
Janine's Art Beach Fun Cutting Dies.
Lovely. We've also got some new first edition paper packs, and we've also got a new range of embossing folders by Crafter's Companion. So first up, we're looking at the new embossing folders by Crafter's Companion, the Gemini range. We've got just a few here, but there are many more to the range that you can find on the website. We've specifically got the house brick, we've got a damask embossing folder here, and we've got this one which is called the brocade. So Rachel, tell us a little bit about how the embossing folders might work.
The embossing folders you can put through your Gemini machine or any die cutting machine.
Yeah.
And it just creates more texture for your card. You can use it as backgrounds.
Lovely.
Or you can use it on its own.
Fabulous. And they're all 5x7 in size, so ideal for the cards actually we were looking at last week as well, weren't they? We had a little go as well earlier at run the brocade one actually through the Gemini, our own Gemini. You can just see the kind of detail that it leaves embossed on your card, and we kind of just put a little bit of ink on the side here to show you that you can really detail it to bring the features out, or you can leave it plain. Okay, so let's have a look at the brocade in a bit more detail, if you don't mind getting that out of the packet for us, and just show it on up to the camera. You've got two sides, both sides are, as I say, embossed, and do you want to just give us a tiny little demo?
Just take your cardstock, put it inside, fold it together, and put it through your machine.
And that's going to be with the plates on, and it'll just feed straight through, and as soon as you open it up, you've got both sides textured. Brilliant. We're looking at papers, which we just love. More first edition paper pads. We've got the Perfect Moments and the Fiesta Fever. Rachel, which one are you loving the most?
I'm loving the Fiesta Fever.
Oh, me too, me too.
Oh, look at it.
So let's go back and say, so basically before we get into the details, we've got 48 sheets in a pad. These are the 6x6 ones. We do stock the 12x12 pads as well, which is great. And there's about 3 designs in each, isn't there?
3 sheets of 16 designs, and they're double-sided.
Yes, which I was loving that, double-sided. Amazing. So multi-purpose there, and also at the beginning you do have some textured papers as well. That just feels lovely, doesn't it?
Oh yeah,
brilliant. And look at the colours inside. The colours are just wonderful, so bright, really getting that Mexican Fiesta feel in there. Lots of glitter. Love, 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 love. And then in contrast, we've got the Perfect Moment. It's a lot more delicate, isn't it?
It is.
We've still got the really have that kind of wallpaper feel, but you're kind of saying it's great for weddings, kind of more traditional designs, really, aren't they?
Yeah.
But again, 48 sheets, 3 sheets of 16 designs. Okay, and next we're looking at this new die range from Janine's Art called Beach Fun. So this is super cute, really nice. We've got, obviously the whole set is coordinating, but the 3 sets of dies we're looking at here is the lighthouse border, we've got a beach frame, and we've got the beach house. Different types of cards that can be made. Rachel, what did you think about the beach frame? You came up with an idea earlier, didn't you?
Oh yes, you could probably make this into a shadow box.
Okay.
Or use it as a background.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so you could probably cut that out, probably layer some acetate behind it, then put some more images and layer up sentiments. Great. So these are really, they're kind of valid, if you like, really great for multi-purpose, multi-occasions, nothing specific. Yeah, really liking that.